Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of electronics technology news is HMI evolves into factory data gateway. A simple control screen is turning into something far more powerful. But how deeply can one interface reshape factory intelligence and connectivity? Mitsubishi Electric has launched its next generation GOT 3000 human-machine interface, positioning it as a connected gateway between factory equipment and higher-level IT systems rather than just an operator display. The system supports industrial communication standards including OPC-UA Open Platform Communications Unified Architecture Server and cloud connectivity, enabling direct data exchange between operational technology and enterprise systems. This allows production data to be accessed, monitored, and integrated into broader digital workflows without requiring additional middleware. Features such as a built-in web browser, USB-C connectivity, and NFC near-field communication support further expand device-level interaction and configuration. Security and remote operations are integrated into the platform through encrypted communication, data protection mechanisms, and built-in VPN virtual private network support. These capabilities enable centralized monitoring, remote maintenance, and predictive diagnostics across distributed manufacturing setups, aligning with increasing demand for digitally connected production environments. On the hardware side, the GOT 3000 introduces a high-definition display supporting up to 16 million colors and a capacitive multi-touch interface. The system also supports HDMI high-definition multimedia interface output and camera integration for real-time and recorded video monitoring, allowing operators to visually track processes and analyze faults with greater context. The platform maintains compatibility with existing engineering tools while extending integration with advanced control systems such as the MX controller and industrial networks like CC-Link IETSN. This ensures deployment across both legacy and modern automation environments without major redesign. Go Wakamatsu, General Manager, HMI System Department at Mitsubishi Electric, says, "With the GOT 3000, we're enabling customers to advance their digital transformation with confidence, combining advanced performance with trusted engineering to drive the next generation of smart production." Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.